Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed about how to form a greatest number and a smallest number. You already read in the previous class this, but today we will make a more than 5 digit or 6 digit or many digits you want to make a number of smallest or greatest in. Okay. To get a greatest number, if we want to make a greatest number, we should arrange the number in descending order. Suppose that digits 5, 0, 8, 2, 1, 9 and 3. And the question is, arrange these digits in a greatest number. First we talk about the greatest. So first we know what is greatest number in this digit. So 5, 0, 8, 2, 1, 9 and 3. Then you can see 9 is the greatest digit in these digits. So first we put here 9, and already before I told you, if we form our greatest digit, first we arrange the digits in descending order. So according to that, first we put the 9, then 8, then 5, then 3, 2, 1, 0. So this is your greatest 7-digit number. So you can see here all the number in descending order. Let's take another example. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 5, 2, 7. Okay. Also like that, first we find which is the greatest digit in this. So 7 is the greatest digit in that. So we first put the 7, then 5, 4, 3. Here the 2 times 2, so 2 times 2, then 1 and 0. Here also we form another greatest number digit. In this sequence, you can also make a smallest digit also from this digit. So what should we do? First, in the previous, when we form a greatest digit, what will then 9, but in the smallest we should put the smallest digit. Then, but you are looking here 0, but we never start from the 0. So we start from the 1, then 1, then 0, then 2, then 3, 5, 8 and 9. Here is your smallest number. And how can we read it? 10,23,589. Or you can also make another 2, 1, 3, 5, 4, 6. So here also you can see the 1 is the smallest. So 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here is 1,23,456. According to this number, you can make a greatest and smallest. In this sequence, if suppose I am going to giving you a question, write a smallest number, 5-digit number, using the digits 0, 2, 3, 4. So now pay attention, here is only 4 digits and the question is write a smallest 5-digit number. So how can we make it? So here is a, you can repeat the smallest digit to form a greatest digit. Okay, if digit is less and you have to make a more than this, so you can repeat the smallest digit to form the smallest number. But we can't start from the 0, so we start right from 2, because after 2, 0, 0, 3, 4. Now you can see here is 5 digit number and we read as 20,034. Okay, suppose like that, if you want make a greatest, if you want to make a greatest 5 digit number with this also, you can make a, so you can see here is the 4 is the greatest number in this sequence, so you can repeat the 4. Now 4, 3, 2 and 0. Here also you make it the greatest 5 digit number with this, using this digit, and you can read as 44,320. So okay, if you have any kind of confusion, you can consult with this channel and inbox our messages. Okay, so here was your today complete chapter 1. Your last chapter 1 was formation of greatest and smallest number. So today we complete first chapter and we proceed to the our next chapter, Roman number. Roman number. Okay, so we start our next chapter, Roman numerals. So in previous class you already read about the how to write Roman numerals, and we also know before the lots of century the Roman numbers were invented, and we already learned the Roman numerals were developed by the Romans. यानी ये रोम के जो लोगों के द्वारा डेवलप किया गया था और आज भी ये यूज किया जाता है. So today also we use the Roman numerals in the your progress card, in the number, and many where we can use the Roman numerals. So first you have to know what is Roman number and how can we write it. So before know this, you have to know basic Roman numerals. Basic Roman numeral. Because after knowing this, you have to make any kind of Roman number. There are 7 basic Roman number. Here are the 7 basic Roman numerals. Means it is Roman. And if you want to know, it is a Hindu Arabic number. I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500, and today there is, I wrote here K and M, both R stands for 1000. And today M is old and K is now in the tradition, so I write here K and M. So I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, X, C stands for 100, D stands for 500, and K, or you may know, you can also K or M. K stands for 1000. So after using this, you can also make any number. Okay, you have to pay attention on this basic Roman number, because after learning this, you can write many kind of number. Suppose you have to write one when you start from the counting numbers in the Hindu-Arabic system, like Hindu-Arabic system numeral 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. It is the Hindu-Arabic system, and now we convert it to Roman. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Here one thing is important for you. In the Roman numeral, you can't repeat a Roman numeral with more than 3 times. Means, suppose this is 1, 2, 3. But if I want to write 4, we can't write as 1, 1, 1. It is wrong, because I told you before, we can't repeat Roman number more than 3 times. So IV is the correct. Here is one thing is more important for you. If we write a smaller number before the greater, so 1 is the subtract from this. So V minus 1 is equal to IV. It means V stands for 5, I stands for 1, so 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So now you can also write as, suppose I am going to give you a homework, so write into Roman. Write into Roman numerals. Five, 8, 7, 10 and 20. Okay, this is your homework. So note it and complete it.